In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your bookmarked pages or websites on Opera browser mobile app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So the first thing is to go to your Opera browser and open it. And first we shall bookmark a page or a website before we can locate the bookmark. So I'll go to this tech page called CNET and then I'll open it. Then bookmark one of the pages. So let me say I have this article and I'll wish to bookmark this. So to bookmark it, I'll tap on these three lines on top here and then add to bookmark. Now, next time I come here, or if I'm on the home page, if I open a new home page here and I wish to find my bookmarked pages, it's pretty simple. Just go to your profile icon down below here, tap on it, and then expand this window and you can see bookmarks. If you tap on bookmarks, now you'll see all the pages that you have ever bookmarked on your Opera browser. So tap on any of them. So if I tap on this, now here you can see we have our page here. Bookmarking pages or websites is one of the easiest ways to refer to them later or store them for future reference on your browser. So that's how you can find bookmarked pages on Opera browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.